Dear students, now we are explaining about the computer and the chapter is keyboard. So it is the standard 3 and chapter also 3. This is the book and part 1. Okay. Then we discuss about the keyboard. What is keyboard or what is the use of keyboard? So keyboard is used for only entering the data of the computer. Means you can write A, B, C like that or your name. Okay, then you use it only the keyboard. So I will show you the keyboard. Look at here, it is the keyboard. Okay, it was the keyboard, and first of all it is the letters, alphabetical number A, Q, S, D. It is also a letter. Okay, then after a keyboard consists of many types of keys. So many types of key means that is a symbol, alphabet, and also caps lock. Only I also discussed about this keyboard one by one. Then secondly, alphabet keys means A, S, D. It is also alphabet keys. Then after it, number keys. Number keys means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is also a number key. Okay. Then number key means number key has two sets. Means in upper, number key has symbols. Look at here. In upper, that is symbols. In lower, that is number 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also a number. These keys have symbols written on them. Okay. Then after that, space bar key. Space bar key. A space bar key used to insert a blank space. Means suppose you write a word that is boy. Then you write a word good. Between this gap, you also use the space bar. Only press it, then the space bar also, or the between the gap also the words. Okay. Then enter key. Enter key means that is the enter key. Enter key means to move a line to a second line or third line. Means you have written I am a good boy. It is a first line. When you write the second line, then press the enter key, and the cursor also goes here. It is the cursor. Okay. Cursor means just a arrow mark. Cursor means just look at here. It is a arrow mark, and this cursor we use to by the help of mouse. So look at this. It is also a mouse. So by the help of it or the mouse, then we can move cursor on the screen or on the monitor. Okay. Then space delete key. It is also a delete key. Look at here. It is also a delete key. Okay. And by the delete key, any character we can delete from the monitor or from the screen. Then also the backspace key is used. It is also a backspace key. It is also used to remove a character. Means what word ku ame look, here is a boy. It is a word. When you typed in this keyboard regarding on data capture, so it is a word. When you use the backspace, the cursor also looks here or here. Then you enter, and then we enter the backspace, and this Y or B you can remove. But in your right process, you can say that is you remove a character on the left side. Left side. It is a left side, and it is also right side. That is also backspace key. And shift key. Shift key means you use the shift key only to change the letter. Change the letter means capital to small. Capital to small means that is capital letter A. And when you use the shift key, here is the shift key. Look at here. Here is the shift key. When you press this key, then your letter A changed into small letter A. So it is the use. Okay. Then caps lock key. Caps lock key means that is also caps lock key. It is the same use. It is the same use to change the letters only. Then arrow keys. Arrow keys means look at here. It is also arrow keys. So children, it is a right side key, right side arrow. It is left side arrow. It is down side arrow, and it is upside arrow. So when you press the upside, then the cursor moves to the up. Moves to the up means cursor means by the mouse you also remove you also move the cursor, move the arrow to the typed letter जहाँ टाइप करिथिबो से टाइप लेटर पाखु से जाई क्रसर पहुंच जिवो देन इट आल्सो रिमूव हेई परिबो देन लेफ्ट साइड सो लेफ्ट साइड की आल्सो मूव द क्रसर लेफ्ट मीन्स दिस इज द लाइन ओके this is the line when you press the right side then cursor is also here when you use the mouse only it is the cursor moving on the screen by the use of mouse only then when you use the mouse then the cursor right and press the right arrow then the cursor is also in right then you can remove or the line also up and down like that then it is the down and the down key move to the cursor down okay then come to the now your practically you also need to practical in computer it is not sufficient to you and any children that without practical the computer can be successful or computer teaching can be successful so in the further class I try to practically show you practically something about okay then come to the exercise in exercise look at here children in your exercise that is the keyboard when you press your name suppose your name is Santosh so you press the keyboard S press then it is in your screen or in your monitor then show you S then A so you want to write a small letter A then you press shift and press A that is small letter this converted into a small letter okay so you have write it you also write here then space bar means according to the gap Santosh Das suppose your name is Santosh Das so you write after typing Santosh then you press the space bar then this is a gap then you also press Das this is a DAS then this is also show your monitor Das okay then the second join your key look at here it is the backspace so it is a joining line or A group in B group or the matching line you can know then space bar this space bar is also joining here removing character from left okay then it is arrow marking left right up and down so it is also here key used for moving the cursor and delete key means removing character from the left and caps lock means that is typing character in capital letters and space bar means just to gap the word from word and it is also here typing blank space okay then in this today is also complete that your third chapter and standard 3 okay